Hi, and welcome to Need2Know. What if I told you there was a way to make money online without having to create your own products or invest in paid marketing strategies? Well, the good news is that there is. Affiliate marketing is an excellent way for beginners to start making money online. For those of you who are unfamiliar with the concept, affiliate marketing is a way to make money online by promoting other companies' products and services. You essentially become an advertiser for the company you're promoting, and when someone buys the product or service from your affiliate link, you get paid a commission. But it may not be as easy as it sounds. In order to be successful with affiliate marketing, you need to have a good understanding of how it works, which products make the most money, and how to track your campaigns. But don't worry, because we'll cover all of that here in this guide. In this video, we'll explore the basics of affiliate marketing and discuss strategies on how you can become successful. We'll also talk about the different types of affiliate programs, common mistakes to avoid, and tips that will help you get started right away. So let's dive in. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Let's start off by discussing the basics of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an online marketing model where you, as an advertiser, earn money when someone purchases a product or service from your referral link. This means that you don't have to create or promote any products yourself. Instead, you simply refer customers to other companies and get paid for it. Think of it as a commission-based system. Every time one of your referrals makes a purchase, you get paid a percentage of that sale, usually between 1% and 10%. This means you could potentially make money without having to produce any products yourself or invest in expensive marketing strategies. For example, let's say you become an affiliate for a popular online clothing store. You can then create a link to their website and share it with your followers on social media, in emails, or on your blog. If someone clicks that link and makes a purchase, you get paid a commission for the referral. Now that you understand the basics of affiliate marketing, let's discuss the different types of affiliate programs that you can join. These are the main types of affiliate programs: pay-per-sale, pay-per-click, and pay-per-lead. In a pay-per-sale program, you get paid a commission for each sale that comes through your referral link. This is the most common type of affiliate program and is often used by companies selling products like books or software. Meanwhile, pay-per-click programs pay you for each click on your referral link. This type of program is often used by companies selling services like web hosting or SEO services. Finally, in a pay-per-lead program, you get paid for each lead that comes through your referral link. It means that you get paid when someone provides their contact information, like an email address or phone number. This type of program is often used by companies offering subscription services, such as online newsletters or streaming video platforms. Now that you understand the basics of affiliate marketing and the different types of programs available, let's go over some tips to help you get started. Step 1. Choose the product that you want to promote. The first and most important step in affiliate marketing is to choose a product or service that you want to promote. You should carefully research the product and its features, read reviews from customers, and decide if it meets your needs. The essence of affiliate marketing is to become an advocate for the product or service that you're promoting and bring customers to it. You have to consider who your target audience may be, what they are looking for, and how they can benefit from the product or service. Choosing a niche that you are knowledgeable and passionate about will help you to get the most out of your affiliate marketing efforts. Step 2. Find an affiliate program. Once you have chosen the product or service that you want to promote, it's time to find an affiliate program. Many companies offer their own affiliate programs, and there is also a large marketplace of affiliate programs available. Research the various options and look for one that has features that align with your goals and objectives. Look for an affiliate program that offers high commissions, lifetime commissions, a wide variety of products to promote, detailed tracking reports, and reliable customer service. Step 3. Sign up for the program. Once you have found an affiliate program that meets your needs, the next step is to sign up for it. Most companies will require you to provide personal information such as your name and email address. Some may also require a website URL or other form of identification. Read the terms and conditions carefully before signing up, as there may be restrictions on where, how, and when you can promote the product or service. Make sure you understand what is expected of you as an affiliate and any other rules that the program requires. Step 4. Start promoting the product. Once you have signed up for the affiliate program, it's time to start promoting the product or service that you've chosen. There are a number of ways to do this, including using social media, email marketing, writing blog posts about the product, and creating video content. Take some time to evaluate the best channels for promoting your affiliate product and decide which ones are most appropriate for you. Consider factors such as cost, amount of time required, and how effective each channel has been for other affiliates. Step 5. Monitor your results and optimize your efforts. Once you have started promoting your affiliate product, it is important to keep track of your results and make changes as needed. Pay attention to which channels are bringing in the most conversions, as well as any other metrics that could be affecting your success. It's also important to review your affiliate program regularly and look for opportunities to optimize your efforts. This may include testing different strategies, optimizing keywords, and tweaking your content to ensure that it's reaching the right audience. By following these steps, you can get started with affiliate marketing as a beginner and start to build a successful business. With patience, dedication, and the right resources, you can create a profitable source of income from affiliate marketing. Remember that affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it takes time to build an audience and start making money. As a beginner, you have to be willing to put in the effort and learn as much as you can so that you can improve your skills and get better results. We hope this guide has given you a better understanding of affiliate marketing and how to get started. Best of luck. Do come back and let us know in the comments how you got on. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with everything you need to know. Thanks for watching. Congrats on taking control of your personal finances. See you in the next video.